Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alok and you are watching my channel AK Technogiri. So in this video we are going to unbox a earphone named FLYBOT Stack earphone, which is available on Amazon and it cost 199. So let's come back to our video. So here's the box, and on top there it says 10 mm driver, metallic housing, comfortable fit, and so on. So let's check it out and open the box. Okay, so on the box we got some paperwork, a manual guide, 1 year warranty card, and here we go with our earphone. Okay, on here we got two set of tips of ear tips. One is large and one is medium. By default there is medium uh, attached to the earphone. On my first impression, the earphone looked quite good. It got a metallic build which looks very quite good at the price point of 199. You can compare it with MI Basic, which costs around 400 rupees, and also I used board base sets which cost around 400. In department of bass, this FLYBOT Stack earphone is far ahead of both base sets, and as far as build quality is concerned, it is similar to the MI Basics earphone. So my final note is that if you are a person who likes bass and your budget is around 200, so you should definitely check this out. And that's all for my video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.